I'll show you step by step the possible method to add wallet in Binance. So first up, after you open up your Binance app like this, go to the wallet section. After you go to wallet section, so tap on this address, tap on this three dot menu. So after you go to the menu at the top left side, so from there you tap on this option, wallet management. So under the wallet management, so as you can see now if I tap on this pencil icon, so from this option now, Binance give me options. Now if I tap on this customize, I can be able now to customize my existing wallet. So I can change the avatar, I can change the name, and tap on the save button. At the same time, if you scroll to down, you can tap on this backup button. So here now it will give you option to back up all your wallets. So if you tap on this back arrow again, so as you can see now, under this wallet that I currently have, if I tap on this back, so as you can see now, if I tap on this three dot, as you can see now the option is not working. So as you can see now, as I'm now that I'm recording this video, Binance doesn't allow people to have more than one wallet in their Binance account, because Binance use your ID in your wallet at the same time. If you have account with Binance, they'll give you only one wallet and one account. You cannot use more than one wallet in Binance wallet, or in Binance of 3 wallets. And that's it now. So as you can see now, Binance doesn't allow people to have more than one wallet. So because if you tap on this back arrow, as you can see now here is my user ID. So they are using this user ID for any wallet. So this is my account user ID, my main account user ID, and it's used for my wallet address as well. So that's it, guys. You cannot add more than one account, one wallet in Binance. You can only have one wallet in Binance wallet. If this video helps you out, thanks for watching. We hope Binance will allow people to have more than one wallet in future.